Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? Today we're going to take lesson 7, page 777. The lesson title is halves, thirds, and fourths. We're going to talk about them and to know the meaning of each word of them. What does halves mean? What does thirds mean? What does fourths mean? So stay with me. We're going to skip the first page, okay? So skip it with me and open the next page, which is 778. Now, let's read see and show. You can partition or separate shapes into equal parts. So we can cut any shape into equal parts, okay? Maybe 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, okay? Now, when we have a circle, for example, or a square, we want to cut it into two equal parts. Two equal parts. We call each one of them half. Okay? We call each one of them half. So number one is a half square. Number two is a half square. Number one here is a half circle. Number two is a half circle. So two equal parts. Okay? Two equal parts or two halves, each part is half of whole. So again, when we cut it to two equal parts, that means each part is a half, okay? Now, we can cut a circle or a square into three equal parts. We call each equal part a third. So we cut it here to 3 thirds, okay? 3 thirds. Each part of them is a third. So this is a third of circle, the second third of circle, the third third of circle. Now the square. The first third of the square, the second third of square, the third third of square. Okay? Also, we can cut the shape into 4 equal parts, okay? So, 2 equal parts, halves, 3 equal parts, thirds, 4 equal parts are fourths, okay? Each one of them is a fourth of whole. So, this is a fourth of a circle, this is a fourth of a square, okay? So, halves, thirds, and fourths. I think they are clear now. Describe the equal parts. Write 2 halves, 3 thirds, or 4 fourths. Now we cut this square into two equal halves. Yes. This rectangle, 3 equal thirds. Yes. What about this circle? 4 fourths. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 fourths. This circle here, 1, 2, 3. So 3 thirds. Yes. Okay, 3 thirds. Write them fast. Okay. Let's see the next question. Draw a line to partition each shape. Now we want to cut this rectangle to two equal parts. How can we do this? We can draw a line here to separate the two into two equal parts. For equal parts, we're going to need two lines, one to cut it from the half and one to cut it like this. So, as you see here, two lines, 4 equal squares. Each one of them equal the other. So 4 equal parts, 4 fourths, 2 halves. Okay, 2 halves, 4 equal parts or 4 fourths. Stop the video, write it, and open the next page with us. Let's do page 779. Describe the equal parts. Write 2 halves, 3 thirds, and 4 fourths. This is, yes, 3 thirds, 2 halves. Now we're going to draw a line to partition each shape. 4 equal parts. We're going to draw two lines to separate it to 4 equal parts. I will show you the lines. Okay, 2 equal parts. We're going to cut it from the half. Yes. Okay, 3 equal parts. We're going to need two lines, or we're going to use two lines to have 1, 2, 3, 3/3, two halves or two equal parts. Okay, write them fast. Let's see this question. Partition the shape in different ways. Show the same number of equal parts. Now look here. We have a rectangle and the same rectangle here. Now they cut this rectangle to two halves. Look from where they cut it. From the middle. Now they want another way to cut it to two equal halves. How can we do this? We can cut it from here. Yes. So we can have another two halves if we cut it from here. Now here, they cut it like the column. How can we cut it in another way? Like the row. So we have two ways to cut something into two equal halves. We can cut them like the row or column. Okay, row or column. Now look here. They cut this square to 4 equal parts. We can do the same by cutting them in this way. Instead of having 4 equal squares, we're going to have 4 equal triangles, okay? Now, they cut it here to 3/3. They look like columns. So we use the other way, which is the rows way. We cut them into 3 equal rows or 3 equal thirds. Okay. Let's see the next page, which is page 780. Okay. Eva's mom bought a pizza. Eva ate 1 equal part. Her friend ate 1 equal part. If there was 1 equal part left in Eva's mom, for Eva's mom. Okay, so Eva ate a part. Okay, Eva ate 1 equal part, and her friend ate 1 equal part, and there were another equal part for her mother. So how many equal parts we have in this question? 3 equal parts. So how much? I will circle this because it is the question. How much of pizza was left for Eva's mom? How much? We said when we have 3 equal parts, one part is a third, okay? So a third of pizza because Eva ate a third, her friend ate a third, and the left third or the last third was for Eva's mom. So a third of pizza. Let's read question 18. Gracie had a round slice of watermelon. She had her sister share the slice equally. How many people shared the slice equally? Eva and her sister. So how many people Eva and her sister are? They are two people or two persons. So because they are two, how much did each girl eat? We said when they are two, they eat half of watermelon slice. So 1/2 of watermelon slice. Each one of them ate 1/2 of watermelon slice. Let's read the last question. Sadie is making a picture of her cousin. She folds a piece of paper in half. Then she folds it in half again. So she cut it twice, in half and the other half. Think about it. If you can't understand this, hold a piece of paper in your hand, tie it from half, then tie it from half again and open it. How many equal parts are there? 4 equal parts. If I can draw this, I know that my drawing is not that good, but I will try to draw it for you. Okay, this was the paper. Okay, first she cut it from half like this, then she folded from half again. So how many equal parts we have? 4 equal parts. Okay, now show the same. Okay, let me erase the answer. Show the same number of equal parts in two different ways. So they gave us the first way. They cut. Oops, I will erase this. Okay, they cut the first square into 4 equal parts. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how can we cut it to 4 equal parts in other ways? We can use this type of cutting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can use the traditional way, which is, okay, this way. Okay, I'm going to erase my drawing and show you the answer because my drawing is not clear. Okay, again. Okay, so the first square is divided into 4 equal shares. I divided the other two squares into 4 equal squares. I don't want you to write the explanation, okay? No need to write the explanation, but I want you to know these 3 ways of cutting something to 4 fourths. So don't write the explanation, just draw or cut the square into 4 fourths. Okay, grade 2, today's lesson is very easy, I know that. I'm waiting to see your homework. It is my homework page 781, 782. So again, your homework is my homework page 781, 782. Do it and send it to me. That's it for today. Thank you.